Are you tired of the same old 9-to-5 grind? Dreaming of financial freedom and the ability to work from anywhere in the world? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to show you the ultimate guide on how to make money online. Hey there, fellow hustlers. Welcome back to our channel Tech Nexus. Today we're diving deep into the world of online income streams. If you're ready to unlock your financial potential and learn how to make money online, stick around because we've got some game-changing strategies and tips for you. Before we get started, let's talk about the diverse opportunities waiting for you in the online world. From freelancing and e-commerce to affiliate marketing and passive income streams, there are endless possibilities to explore. The key is finding the right avenue that aligns with your skills, passions, and goals. So, let's kick things off with freelancing, a fantastic way to leverage your skills and make money online. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, there's always a demand for your expertise. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with clients worldwide and help you build a thriving freelance business. Another exciting opportunity is e-commerce. With the rise of platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, setting up your own online store has never been easier. From dropshipping to creating and selling your unique products, you have the potential to tap into a global customer base and turn your passion into profit. Now, let's talk about the holy grail of online income streams, passive income. This is the dream, my friends, and it's all about building systems that generate money for you while you sleep. One popular method is affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. But wait, there's more. If you're a content creator, YouTube, Instagram, and blogging can be your ticket to financial independence. As your audience grows, you can monetize your platform through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own digital products. The key here is consistency, quality content, and engaging with your community. Remember, success won't come overnight, but with perseverance, you can achieve your financial goals. So, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and let's embark on this exciting online adventure together. Get ready to make money online and create the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on making money online. And as always, stay inspired and keep hustling.